So we have the country specific standard which we follow when we perform the trade with the products. Okay, in the country specific we have the, in the like charger, mobile charger, laptop charger, more products we see CE. Okay, like similar we have the GTIN, like CE means conform to the European standard. So or more icons, digits we see on the products. Okay, so this is the standard we follow when we do the trade country specific. So we have the GTIN 12, which is the universal product number in the USA. GTIN 13 we have the for the EU. GTIN 14 we have the use for cartons. Cartons means boxes. Carton. Okay, not cartoon, it's carton boxes. Okay, boxes, type of the box, a logistics unit. GTIN 8 for small products. So we have the GTIN, we have the serial number, we have the batch or lot number. GTIN means global trade number of the products. We can check more details, application IDs, more prefixes, more delimiters. We have like different kind of delimiters in the RFS screen, like when it captures, when we scan, by default system captures. Okay, and different kind of, like different kind of, these are the prefixes. Okay, system captures more, depends upon the manufacturer of the RF device. Okay, so here you have the GTIN, global trade number of the product. GTIN means ID of the product. Serial number we have ID of the individual product. If you buy anything, you see the individual product serial number. Okay, also we can check batch lot number, group of the products. So batch lot or lot number indicates the collection of the product which produce in the same time, same batch. Check the video on the batch management on my channel, or batch management process. And if you require any guidance, explanation, any help, okay, or like text me, WhatsApp me, you can call me. Okay, training, support, more deep configurations, and also I have my own books, written books, okay, in the implementation configuration. Thank you very much guys, please get back to me and I will ready to help. Thank you, see you again.